Hey guys, this video is my first time playing at Wildlands Airsoft or Jungle Island, whatever you want to call it. It's in Lake Elsinore, California. The guns I was using was my Lancer Tactical AK-74N and my Novrich SSP-18. And without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Yeah. Thanks. Keep going. Go ahead and start your point. I'm on. Okay? They're pushing left side. Yeah, I know. They're like crying. They're crying. See them? They're at that building over there.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll probably play at Wildlands Airsoft again sometime, but I'm not sure where I'm going to be playing next. I'll put it in the community tab of the channel, when and where I'm playing Airsoft next, and what I'm going to be running. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.